Let's take a look at exercise 15-12. Pharoah Airlines is considering two alternatives for the financing of a purchase of a fleet of airplanes. These two alternatives are: 1. Issue 84,900 shares of common stock at $30 per share, and I'm reading right here now. Now, cash dividends have not been paid, nor is the payment of any contemplated. Or 2. Issue 9% 10-year bonds at face value for $2,547,000. The next statement tells us that it's estimated that the company will earn $780,000 before interest and taxes as a result of this purchase. And the company has estimated a tax rate of 40%. It has 108,500 shares of common stock outstanding prior to the new financing. So we're asked to determine the effects on net income and earnings per share for these two methods. Well, let's lay it out this way. Let's put columns for Plan 1 and Plan 2. Now, Plan 1, we're issuing stock. Plan 2, we're issuing bonds. So let's go through the income statement and see which one of these makes sense in terms of net income and earnings per share. So income before interest and taxes is $780,000. Regardless of the choice we make. Now, if we issue the bonds, we're going to have interest. $2,547,000 is the bond face value at 9%. So if we take 9% times the $2,547,000, we get $229,230 of interest. That means we would have income before taxes of either $780,000 under Plan 1 or $550,770 under Plan 2. Okay, then we have to deduct income tax expense, so take 40% of income before taxes, and you're left with net income of $468,000 for Plan 1 or $330,462 for Plan 2. Plan 1 is stock, Plan 2 is bonds. Okay, then if we write down the number of outstanding shares we would have under each alternative, we have 193,400 or 108,500. Now bonds, the number of shares was given right here. So if we issue bonds, there's no additional shares. But if we issue stock, we have to add 84,900 to it to come up with the outstanding shares. And next we calculate earnings per share. Okay, so take the income divided by the outstanding number of shares. Now let me slide up and I'll show you the math calculations. If you wanted to see, if you couldn't follow any of that in this like income statement presentation format, you can follow the math down here, and that shows how we come up with those answers. So I hope you found this helpful.